Hi, this is SWATHIRAMYA, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Engineering, and I work in AIDS department, and this is my lecture series on natural language processing, and today's topic is on context-free grammar. Generally, what is the purpose of the grammar in the common language? Let us take some language like English or Tamil. What is the purpose of grammar? The grammar will give us a set of rules and regulations and the syntax to be followed to form a sentence or to form the paragraph. So that is the main purpose of the grammar. When it comes for the NLP, natural language processing, here also the CFG provides the same thing, that is context free grammar. It's a formal grammar used in NLP. Okay, in NLP the CFG is used in how the CFG is used in NLP. CFG will give you the set of rules and regulation which helps us to frame a sentence or phrase a sentence and generate the sentence syntactically correct. First thing, it helps us to form the sentence in a right way. Second thing, it helps us to verify whether the sentence which we are giving is right or not. Syntactically, it will check the syntactical correctness. CFG will gives us the structure and the way to describe the syntax of the language. In a very plain way, I'll tell you, it will give you the syntax as well as the how to put all the words together to form the meaningful sentence. That is the main purpose of CFG. It consists of a set of rules that will specify how different elements, such as either it can be a sentence or phrases, that combined together to form a valid sentences. If the sentence is valid, then only the system can able to understand. So this is the main purpose of CFG. The CFG, that is the context free grammar, is also called as phrase structure grammar. And what we are doing here is you are trying to teach the computer how to understand the sentence. So main purpose of NLP is we are trying to teach a computer or we are trying to teach the device to understand our natural, that is human speaking language, and also to regenerate the human speaking language as human does. So this CFG, this grammatical things, is also used here to frame the sentence syntactically correct and also to verify the sentence that was spoken by the humans whether it is syntactically correct or not. For this, when you want to teach a computer to understand the sentence, for this you need two things. You need to give some rules and regulations. Obviously, we need some rules and regulations, and these rules and regulations will be given. This rules and regulation will helps us to form a meaningful sentence. These rules are given by context-free grammar. Obviously, it's a set of CFG is nothing but it's a set of rules and regulation that tells the computer how to put all the words together to make a sensible sentence or meaningful sentence. It's a very fundamental concept, how to teach the computer to understand the human language. Let me tell you in a very simple example what is the actual purpose of CFG. Think that you have a puzzles. You have a set of puzzles. These puzzles can be compared with the set of words. We have set of rules and regulations where we have 100 pieces of puzzle sets. Okay, we have different pieces of puzzles. We have set of rules and regulations where we have to put these puzzle pieces. So once we put all the puzzle pieces together to generate a valid, to resolve the puzzle is or no, only if we place the puzzle pieces in a right place, we will get the right output. Similarly, we have a bunch of words. We have to put these bunch of words in correct order or in a correct way. Only then we will generate a sentence. Only then we will generate the meaningful sentence. you have a set of puzzles. Think that you have these puzzles, these pieces of puzzles or like a words, or you have set of rules, and you need a set of rules and regulations to put these puzzles together to generate a valid picture or valid puzzles, okay, to resolve the puzzles. Similarly, you have a set of words, you have some rules and regulations, so that only then if you put all these words together to form a meaningful sentence. This is the actual purpose of CFG, that is context free grammar. Here these rules, what is the purpose of rules? These rules can say the sentence can start with noun. For example, just for example, the rules can be say that if it is a noun, it should have some determinator, and the noun, it should you should have the noun in the first place. The string should start with a noun, and it continues with the verb, or else it followed by some noun. You will have the rules like this, so that when we apply all these rules in our sentence, and you will finally identify whether the given sentence is grammatically right or not. This is the main purpose of CFG. Next video we will see next things. Okay, thank you.